It's your girl Makayla Janae here, back with another video. And in today's video, I will be not really introducing something new onto my channel, but bringing something back with a new twist. About half of you have been subscribed to me since the beginning of my channel, and I used to do videos called Makayla Styles Tips and Tricks. I think I only did it like once, maybe twice. I've been praying about it, and I was like, I think I want to bring it back. I think I'm gonna leave it the same name, but I like how a lot of girls have the how to look bougie on a budget, how to look expensive on a budget. I'm kind of gonna do some things like that on there, like giving you some hacks and just some things that I do to always look fly, some tips and tricks. But also what I want to do in those type of videos is trend forecast, show you some things that I do that other people may not do, you know, some of the things that I think are unique to me. I'm going to be sharing some of my tips and some of my personal tricks aside from just how to look expensive on a budget. I'm going to show you guys how to be different, okay? We're trying to be different and look different, okay? We're setting trends. So I'm going to share some of the trends that I picked up on, some that I started, stuff like that on these type of videos. I don't know if I'm going to change the name, but it's going to be videos like that. I did do a video on how I do my slick back bun, honey, and I did a video on this makeup look to match my Jamaican soccer jersey, so please check that out. Yeah, before I start doing these videos, I just want to introduce them and explain it to you. I'm going to be sharing my trends with you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to look expensive and bougie at all times, how to look fly at all times, because guess what? We're going to get you there, honey. We're going to elevate you. It's all about elevation 2018. That's what we're doing. I'm just going to be sharing looks, sharing how to serve looks, how to look expensive, how to do things on a budget, showing you some trends. So I'm really excited for it. It's an idea that I've been thinking on, been praying on, so I'm going to manifest it and get it going. I'm going to start off simple, then you know it's going to add up to more. I think it could be a once a week thing because it's really going to be so easy for me to get it out for you guys. A lot of people like how I find things on sale. That could be included in these videos too. Like this shirt, I got this shirt for $1 actually, not even maybe. I got this shirt for $1. So if you guys are excited, please leave me a thumbs up, comments, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys are excited just like I am. Please check out some more videos on my channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh, I almost pulled my phone off the wall. How many of you guys, well, I guess about half of you, since I'm at like 136 subscribers. Alright, I think I'm in focus. You know, I always struggle. I never know if it's my eyes that are blurry or it's the camera that's blurry. Thin line between eyes or camera. Yeah, it's great. It's lit out here.